Good morning. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is Wednesday, March 16, 2022. I am now talking to you early in the morning just before the markets open. It's 8:27 a.m. Yesterday, the idea was to buy on a dip and the market, actually did not give a dip. It went into a clean decline from morning to afternoon. You know, this is a choppy market. Every day becomes different. So just because the markets declined yesterday does not follow that they are going to do the same today. We have to take the slightly larger picture and then make a trading plan for the day. The slightly larger picture is that we have rallied 1,000 points. The short-term trend is intact despite yesterday's decline, and the idea still should be to look to buy on a dip. But at what point do we say, okay, this dip buying is not working? I would say that somewhere around yesterday's low, 16,550, that's the point at which clearly this buy on dips trade is not working when the low is broken on the downside. But given the fact that we may be opening much higher than 16,550, that's the level at which we change a view. That is not a trading level. We cannot say that we will buy today and put us in the morning or whenever and put a stop at 16,550. That would be a very wide stop. So for the day, the view continues to be that we should be looking for a dip to buy, but the stop should be much tighter. What I usually do is to put a stop below the low of the first 15 minutes. If that low is being broken, then clearly the market is either willing to become choppy, or it may have a second round of rallies in the afternoon when we will see what happens. So my trade would be to wait patiently for a dip, put a stop below the low of the first 15 minutes and see if we can get an uptrend here. If we don't get an uptrend, I don't have to trade intraday. The view is that this is a short-term uptrend, so the second positional trade that I am keeping is to sell credit spreads. Essentially, it means selling much further out of the money put options, and that's the larger trade. So I have shared with you a positional trade and a possible intraday trade. I hope you enjoy your trading today. Have a lot of fun. Jai Hind.